Hi children, welcome to Narayana virtual classes. Today our amazing assignment is related to chapter 1 numbers up to 1000 mental max is available in page number 26. Okay, let us go for the first question. Answer the following. Use the comprehension symbols greater than, less than and equal to make the following true. So look at the A1 598 and 510. So we should compare the numbers with the help of the symbols greater than, less than and equal to symbol. So how we should compare the numbers? We should extremely compare the numbers from the left side onwards. So first we should write the places. So here 598, so we should write the place values from right to left. So here 8 is in ones place, 9 is in tens place and 5 is in hundreds place. So same like that 510, 0 is ones place, 1 is in tens place and 5 is in hundreds place. So already I told we should extremely compare the numbers from left side onward. So here left side the place is hundreds place. So hundreds place, here also 5 is there and here also 5 is there. If both the places are same, we should enter into the next place, that is tens place. So tens place number is 9 and here the tens place number is 1. So we should compare 9 and 1, which is the greater number, that side we should keep open mouth. So 9 and 1, which is the greatest number? 9 is the greatest number, that's why we should keep open mouth. So we should keep open mouth like this and we should read 598 is greater than 510. So 598 is greater than 510. Let us go for the B1. So 215 and 257. So we should write the place values from right to left. So 5 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place and 2 is in hundreds place. So next 257. So 0 is in, 7 is in ones place, 5 is in tens place and 2 is in hundreds place. So 2 is in hundreds place. So we should extremely compare the numbers from left side onwards, that is hundreds place. So hundreds place, here also 2 is there and here also 2 is there. If both the hundreds places are same, we should enter into the next place, that is tens place. So tens place, here 1 and here tens place, here 5 is there. So in 1 and 5, which is the bigger number? 5 is the biggest number, that's why we should keep the open mouth on the bigger number side. So we should keep open mouth and we should read 215 is less than 257. So 215 is less than 257. Let us go for the next question. Second one. Fill the following boxes with the correct answer. So here some numbers is given and also they given hundreds, tens and ones. So look at the first one, 567. First we should write the places. 7 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place and 5 is in hundreds place. So hundreds place, what is that number? 5. So we should write 5 is in hundreds place and 6 is in tens place. So 6 is in tens place and 7 is in ones place. You should write 7 is in ones place. So same like that we should write the remaining numbers also. 489. In this 489, 9 is in ones place, 8 is in tens place and 4 is in hundreds place. So 4 is in which place? Hundreds place. So we should write 4 is in hundreds place and 8 is in tens place and 9 is in ones place. You should write 9 is in ones place. So look at the next one, 600. So 600, 0 is in ones place, again 0 is in tens place and 6 is in hundreds place. You should write 600 in here, 6 is in hundreds place, 0 is in tens place, again 0 is in tens place. After we should compare dash number is the biggest one. So in these three numbers 567, 489 and 600, which is the biggest number? So we should compare the numbers from extremely from left side onward. So left side the hundreds place is the highest place value. So we should compare the hundreds place. So here hundreds place 5, 4, 6. In this 5, 4, 6, which is the bigger number? So 6 is the biggest number, that's why we should write what is the greatest number means the greatest number is 600. So the hundreds place digit is bigger number, that's why we should write the 600 is the bigger number. So look at next one, B1, dash is the smallest number. So look at here, again we should take the hundreds place, 4, 5 and 6. So 4, 5, 6. So 4 is the smallest number compared with 5 and 6. That's why we should write 489 is the smallest number. So 489 is the smallest number. We should compare extremely from the left side onwards. So look at the B1, third one, observe the place value chart and fill the missing numbers. So here some numbers is given, 7 is in hundreds place, 4 is in tens place and 2 is in ones place. So how we should read the number? 7 is in ones place means 700 and 4 and 2 we should read together 742 and the next number is 716. So 742 and 762 we should write here. So how we should write? Dash is the smaller than dash. So smaller than, they ask the smaller than. So see here hundreds place we should compare the hundreds place, both the numbers are same means we should go for the next place, that is tens place. So tens place here 4 is there and here 1 is there. So 4 and 1 which is the smaller number? 1 is the smaller number, that's why we should write 716 is 716 is smaller than 742. So 716 is smaller than 742. Let us go for the next question. Write the numbers that are. So here less than 125 and greater than 130. We should write the numbers that is less than 125 and greater than 130. So we should write the between numbers of 125 and 130. So what is the 125 after number? We should write 126 after 127 and next 128 and 129. We should write less than 125 and greater than 130. So the between numbers of 125 and 130 is 126, 127, 128 and 129. Thank you.